Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how you can draft from an image. You just simply drag image file to the AutoCAD sheet, just simply drag it here and then draft all the walls and openings which shows in the draft. We can do it by two ways. Number one is the line command. If someone has expertise of using line command, so he can use line command. Otherwise, the simple way is by using rectangle. Make sure the lines are visible. You just start from the corner and drag it to the end point. Try using mouse wheel for zooming. Now again another rectangle. Simply draft all the walls like this using rectangle command. This is very simple way to draft from image. If you need a reference line, then you just simply draw a line from the corner to another. Now again you use the rectangle command and just simply drag it to the end point. In this corner we will adjust it later. Now it's almost the boundary walls are made. Now let's start with the second one, with the starting one, entry points. Click here, just quick click here and draw this wall also. This is very easy technique, drawing from an image file. Almost plain, it's completed. Just look at here, we can also draw this one, straight line. Okay, that's all. Now what's next? You can easily just drag the image from your draft plane from one side. It's like you have now you have to resize the drafting layout according to the plan given. The dimensions in here, that may be different, that's wrong totally. Okay, so it's very easy way. You can just see the line, the dimension in here. This is the reference line, or this one, or you can use any door or window or anything you want. Okay, so this is very simple way. You just simply Control Z and just draw like this one. Draw this window. This is almost 3 feet 6 inches. Okay, now again drag away the image. Now just see, you need the reference line. It's about 3 feet 6 inches. Yeah, this is the reference line. Now you have to resize all the plane according to this line. Select all, draft, and then enter SC. Select the base point, then reference, then the reference of window first point, then the end point, and drag it to the point, the reference line you have made. Okay, now let's check it again. It's 6 feet 4 inches. It's double of that. Now we have to make it more compressed size. It's 3 feet 6 inches. Okay, just make sure it 3 feet 6 inches. 3 feet 6 inches. Yeah, it's done. Now again select all the draft and again SC, enter, select the base point, then for the reference select type R, enter, select first point, then end point, drag it to the point which you have drawn before. Yeah, it's almost done. 3 feet 6 inches. Now you can see the dimension in here. It's almost correct. Just see this one, and washroom size. Yeah, almost all the dimensions are correct now. This is a simple way you can easily draft from an image. Thank you.